Carl, people always say learn digital skills, but most of us don't even know where to start, especially after 40.
Right? And the truth is, you don't need to learn everything. You just need to learn a few simple skills that actually move the needle. That's exactly what changed everything for me. I'm Carl. I'm not some digital guru. I'm a dad, a husband, a grandpa, and I had to start over in my 40s after a major health scare. What I found? You don't need to be techie. You just need to be willing to learn like a beginner. When I first started trying to make money online, I felt completely overwhelmed. There were too many options, too many tools. I'd start watching videos, and 5 minutes in, I'd feel like I needed a marketing degree just to keep up. And honestly, it crushed my confidence. I didn't want to look dumb. I didn't want to fail in front of my family. But staying stuck, that was worse.
So what helped you break through that?
I committed to learning just 3 skills, not 20, not everything, just the 3 that would give me the freedom to create something and help others. Canva. I learned how to create simple graphics, covers, and lid magnets, no design background, just templates and effort AI tools. I use ChatGPT and juggling every day. They help me write content, create videos, even brainstorm. It's like having a team, even when you're solo. Systemi.io. And I learned how to build a simple funnel, just a landing page and an email, and suddenly I had a real online presence, not just a hobby. These were the tools inside the blueprint I followed, step by step, simple, and made for real people like me. I love that I didn't have to become someone else to succeed. I didn't have to be flashy or loud. I just had to be real. Learn the skill, apply it, and repeat. I'm building something slow but strong. That's freedom to me. It gave me my confidence back. It gave me options. It gave me a way to help others without burning out. I may not be where I want to be yet, but I'm not where I used to be, and that's worth celebrating.
And Carl, you make it simple. That's the best part.
If you're ready to learn these same 3 skills and start your digital freedom journey, subscribe to the channel. I'll walk with you, step by step. You don't have to figure it all out. You just need to take the first step.